Hello everyone. Welcome to Raj Channel Chatter. I'm thrilled to have you here today. Today I've got something powerful for you. 7 harsh truths for success you can't ignore. These truths might sting a little, but they are essential for anyone serious about achieving their goals. Ready to get real? Let's dive in. Buckle up because this is going to be a transformative ride. Truth number 1. You can succeed without discipline, but only if you replace it with obsession. Obsession drives you to do what discipline might not. If you think you lack discipline, just keep listening. Obsession can be a powerful substitute, pushing you to achieve what you thought was impossible. The second harsh truth: boys turn into men when they realize no one cares about them unless they bring value. It's a tough pill to swallow, but it's the reality of life. The world doesn't owe you anything, mates. You have to earn your place and respect through your actions and contributions. You earn your place by what you give, not what you expect. It's about adding value to others' lives and making a positive impact. Now, truth number 3. Becoming the best version of yourself comes with a lot of goodbyes. This isn't just about people, it's about letting go of old habits and comfort zones. It's not just about people. It's also about habits, comfort zones, and excuses. You need to shed the old to make way for the new. Goodbye to the things that hold you back. Embrace the change and move forward with determination. On to the 4th truth. The quickest way to succeed is to start now and figure it out as you go. Don't wait for the perfect moment, it doesn't exist. You can't learn to drive in a parked car. You need to get moving, make mistakes, and learn from them. Take action, embrace the journey, and adjust on the move. The path to success is paved with continuous learning and adaptation. Next up, truth number 5. Nobody tells you why discipline matters because it's the strongest form of self-love. Discipline is about caring for your future self. You don't skip the gym because you hate yourself. You go because you want to be the best version of yourself. You go because you love your future self. Every act of discipline is a step towards a better you. Truth number 6. If a man doesn't match his words with action, he's not a man. Integrity is about aligning your actions with your words. He's just a boy who talks big and delivers small. True maturity comes from being reliable and consistent. Actions speak louder, always. Your deeds define you more than your words ever will. And finally, truth number 7. Success is not a solo journey. Mention someone who works hard and deserves success. We rise by lifting others. Your success is intertwined with the success of those around you. Tag them and show some love. Celebrate the hard work and dedication of those who inspire you. Bonus quote for you. Vision without action is a daydream. This Japanese proverb reminds us of the importance of taking steps towards our goals. Action without vision is a nightmare. Japanese proverb: balance your dreams with concrete actions. Comment steal if you're building a stronger version of yourself. Let's see how many of you are committed to growth. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more raw, real content. Your support means the world to us. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Stay motivated and keep pushing forward.